In this session, we are going to be talking about how to save data by using model on the terminal. Saving data by using the terminal. And the third thing we're gonna do, we need to use the nkele commands. Then let's run these short commands line below in order to save data by using the terminal. And these commands below, as you can see, PHP Artisan Tinker allows you to access in your model in different information about your model, and then we're gonna use this command line in order to access in our model, and we can save different informations in our database by using first of all this command line in this terminal. So let us go back in our Visual Studio Code. Interact with our model, with our database. As you can see, the model contains the data to be viewed. As we have just created this model, that means this model is linked with our product table, which is in our database. And then we are going to be using this model if we want, for example, to retrieve all information that we have in our database. As you can see, so let us first learn how we can save different information, for example, by using this model. And the third thing is to use the PHP Artisan Tinker. Like this. PHP Artisan Tinker. I'm gonna press enter, and you're gonna see I'm gonna get this. And the first thing I need, for example, the design is to count if I have to count how much information I have in my products table, which is in the basics. In the basic lessons database. So let us back here. I'm gonna say app, and as you can see here, I have providers here, and I'm gonna call my products. I'm gonna say app products. I'm gonna call my model here, which is products like this, and I'm gonna say like this count. Just you're gonna take how much informations I have in my product table. I'm gonna press enter. You're gonna see I'm gonna get 0 because we didn't yet save any information in our products table. And so the desire is to save some information in our table, which is the products table. And as our products table is linked to our model, which is product, we are going to be using this model in order to save information in our product table. So the first thing we need is to create an instance. We're gonna call this instance product, and we're gonna say equal to new product, which is our model, like this, which is our model like this, and we're gonna press enter. What's this? No. Okay, so we need to say products. You're gonna excuse me. No, like this. App, yes, like this. Product, and you should say we get it. And if we want, for example, we have just created an instance, an object, and if we want, for example, to save something, the information, for example, to the product name field, we're gonna say product, which is our instance, and we're gonna say you're gonna log to the product name, which is in our products table, which is in our basic lessons, equal to, I'm gonna say, for example, mango. This is the product name. I'm gonna press enter. This is the product name. For the first product, I'm gonna say products. I'm gonna set the product price. And here I'm gonna say, for example, 120, which is the price. I'm gonna press enter, and I'm gonna set also the product description. And I'm gonna say, for example, this is the most important fruit. I'm gonna say, for example, like this. Yes, like this. And I'm gonna press enter. And if I want, for example, to save all this information, because if I back here and I reload my products table, you're gonna see we do not have anything. We need just to save And if we want to save, we're gonna call our object here. We're gonna say product, and we're gonna call the save function. As you can see here, product save, and just press enter. Product what? Product description doesn't have a default value. Product, yes, so do excuse me. Here we have product description. Yes, we have made some mistake here. Product, put your extents. Yes, you're gonna say product description like this, and here we're gonna say, yes, this is the most important phrase like this, and then we're gonna press enter, and here we're gonna save by putting your extents, your object product save true, and really you're gonna find through here, and you're gonna back here, and if you click on products to reload, you're gonna find yes, all informations that we have just saved in your products table by using your product model. Very simple and very clear. And if you want to save another product, you need to create again in a new instance, because if you use the same instance here, if you do not create a new instance, what you are going to put now is going to overwrite your last information. So here I'm gonna create again a new instance, a new object. I'm gonna say products, and here I'm gonna say app, product new, app, product, mine, products, mine, and you're gonna say like this, and I'm gonna say product. Yes, my extent is there, product name, I'm gonna say, for example, strawberry, and I'm gonna set the price, products like this. Yes, products price, I'm gonna set 120. Yes, I'm gonna say product description. I'm gonna say, for example, and I'm gonna say, for example, this product is red, for example, and I'm gonna press enter, and I'm gonna call my instance product like this, and I'm gonna say save. I'm gonna call the save function here, words in this product, query column not found, unknown column product description, please, no decision. So you need to understand all about this error description, so it is very helpful description. And here we're gonna say product save words in the words column not description. So we need to recreate this instance because we have already, yes, like this, yes, and the product name, product description, this product is red, product price, product name. Just tap your direction button, the up direction, product name, strawberry, and then I'm gonna save by calling my instance product save like this, true. So very simple and very clear. And let us back here. Let us click on products. I'm gonna get the 7 products here like this. So let us reload the page. And as you can see, if you do not create a new instance, what you are going to allow in your different fields will overwrite the last value you have already saved in your database. And I think that it is the very simple way you can use in order to save, for example, informations by using your model. This is for the terminal, and we're gonna find out more about this model and migrations. So we are going to continue. Goodbye.